Today's legal maxim is ex post facto or after the fact. Ex post facto is a Latin term meaning from after the action or after the fact. It refers to a law or regulation that is enacted after an event has occurred and then retroactively applied to that event, changing the legal consequences of the event. Ex post facto law is prohibited under Article 3, Section 22 of the 1987 Constitution, which states, "No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted." An ex post facto law is one which makes an act criminal which was not criminal when done, or aggravates a crime or makes it greater than it was when committed, or changes the punishment and inflicts a greater punishment than what was provided when the crime was committed, or alters the legal rules of evidence and receives less or different testimony than what the law required at the time of the commission of the offense to convict the offender. Imagine a scenario where a person committed an act which was not considered a crime at the time of the commission, but later on the law is changed to make the act illegal. If the government attempts to prosecute that person for the act committed before the law was changed, it would be considered an ex post facto law. In one case, the Supreme Court struck down a retroactive law that sought to criminalize past membership in a subversive group, which was not a crime when committed.